Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today we're going to be using some sourdough discard to make blueberry muffins. I'm going to measure all the ingredients out, so stay tuned. Let's put this on here, tear it out to 0. 200 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm using King Arthur unbleached all-purpose flour. Okay, there's 200 grams. Okay, with the flour, I'm going to mix in a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking soda, not baking powder. ½ teaspoon of salt. That's all I'm going to put in here with the flour because we're going to sift all this together. Next, we're going to measure out our sourdough discard. We need 60 grams. There you go, 60 grams. 200 grams of granulated sugar. And I'm not going to be eating these, so I'm using regular sugar. Main reason I have regular sugar in my house is because Steve wants in his coffee. And also, I have to feed my hummingbirds. 200 grams. You're going to need 2 eggs. Don't have to measure those. ½ cup of whole milk. I need 160 grams of blueberries. Well, that's 176 grams. I got these out of my garden. I've been picking about a handful a day, trying to get them before the birds get them. So I'll wash these up. I'm just going to leave them in this strainer and let them drain while I get the rest of the ingredients together. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm just going to mix it in there with the milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I am out of vanilla extract. I cannot believe I let myself run out of vanilla extract, but I am. But I have this vanilla bean paste. I'm going to do a teaspoon of it. Well, this is a half, so I'm going to do 2 halves. I'm just going to mix it in here with the milk. Should be about 115 grams. I'm not going to weigh it. I'm just going to go with the 8 tablespoons and we'll call it done. Start with, you want to sift your flour, sugar, baking soda together. So we're going to use our old-fashioned sifter and sift it all together. There you go, it's sifted. Before I cream the sugar and butter, which the butter is melted, so it's not going to be a whole lot of creaming, I'm going to mix the sourdough and the milk. And the milk's kind of curdling up because I put the lemon juice in there with it. And I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but we'll see how it turns out. Because when you put lemon juice in milk, that's like a buttermilk substitute. Okay, it's all mixed together now. Took a minute or two because that sourdough starter is really thick. Set that to the side. Now we're going to mix the sugar, the butter. You can do this with a wooden spoon. You don't have to do it with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Okay, we're going to add egg one at a time. we're going to do a little bit of the flour. A little bit of the milk with the sourdough starter and the vanilla and the lemon. And we're going to do the rest of the flour. The rest of the milk mixture. Okay, once you've got your batter nice and smooth, add in your blueberries. We're going to fold these in. Let me get a rubber spatula. Make sure you get on the bottom and make sure they're all in there good. Okay, this is a regular size muffin tin. It's got 12 wells. They're regular size. They're not like mini or anything like that. We're going to fill them 3/4 of the way up with the blueberry muffin filling. And then I'm going to stick mine in the fridge overnight. Now, you can go ahead and put them in the oven. You need to preheat the oven on 375 and bake them between 25 and 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. But I'm going to do the overnight. Sourdough always tastes better overnight, and this is just going to go in the fridge. So I'm just going to fill them up 3/4 of the way, and then I'll be back. Now, I know everybody has a different way of doing this. I get a giant spoon and a little spoon. I use the little spoon to push the batter off of the giant spoon. And see, that spoon, fills it up about 3/4 of the way. Okay, I'm going to tap it on my counter a couple of times. This is all of the batter. Just trying to make sure I get them all the blueberries covered good. Go around these edges where I got a little bit of batter on my pan. All right, there are our muffins. Now you cover it with aluminum foil, stick it in the fridge, or you stick it in the oven and go ahead and bake it. My pan comes with this handy little cover, so I don't have to worry about covering it with aluminum foil. This is nice to have when you take it somewhere like a potluck. It just sticks on there and clips down and seals up. And it's got a carrying thing and everything. I'll put a link to this in the video description. I got this at Walmart. I'm a Walmart creator, so if you purchase it via my link, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That just helps me with my channel. I'm going to stick these in the fridge and we'll be back in the morning. Muffins are out of the oven. Got a cooling rack. These have been sitting here for about 5 minutes. They smell so good. Too bad I can't have any. I have parchment paper under this cooling rack because I'm going to sprinkle these with powdered sugar, and that'll catch the powdered sugar. Sourdough discard blueberry muffins. They're looking pretty good. They're smelling very good. It's early in the morning, so we don't have good light in here, but that's the inside of the muffin. They look good and moist. What do you think?
They're good. Drool-worthy, 2 thumbs up.
That's probably all I'm getting from him this early in the morning.
I didn't sleep.
Thanks for your review. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.